Hi, my name is Lorena, and I've been investing 6 years, and I'm being a licensed realtor for 3 years. I've been doing real estate investing full time for all this time. I have invested myself on different programs, but I have found that Cody is the only one that has hands-on. It has the systems that I want, that I could go into the next level. I am very excited to start implementing his M5 and all his opt-in pages, and that's what I was looking to put my business outside of, not just in my state, but outside my state. The big ahas I have had is, I know it takes 7 times to start getting on tune with my clients. I know it also takes some compassion to understand buyers, to really help them, so it's beneficial to them and not just beneficial to my pocket. Since the first time I got a phone conversation with Cody, I thought he's a down-to-earth guy. He's not showing off with seminars that cost $1,000, or I was concerned that he was going to be 200 people showing up on this seminar. He's very personalized, and I know he and his team can really personalize what I want, what I'm doing with my business, and what I'm trying to get for life, instead of just throwing more information to me. I have realized that in this weekend I really need to be focused. I met the people that could help me have that focus. The Cody's team gave you their telephone numbers to feel free to contact them, something that I have not been able to get on other programs. It is just a 1, 2, 3 systems where you could follow precisely and get results. We got several results today, so I'm very excited to keep on moving into my investment. I know stop reading books, but just taking some action now. And my friend Linda, I support her today. I told her how to do it. She was very skeptical. So we got a commitment between she and I that next year we're gonna be on the 100K club.